Welcome to Core While Fasting, where we break down how fasting, training, and recovery work together through discipline and consistency. If you've ever thought, won't fasting make me lose muscle? You're not alone. This fear stops more people from fasting than hunger ever does. But here's the truth most people don't hear. Fasting does not automatically destroy muscle. In fact, when done correctly, fasting can protect muscle, improve muscle quality, and increase metabolic efficiency. The problem isn't fasting. The problem is fasting without understanding. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to protect your muscle while fasting, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced, using discipline, consistency, and biology instead of fear. Stay till the end, because one of the biggest muscle-saving principles is something almost no one talks about. Let's clear something up on why people fear muscle loss. Muscle loss doesn't happen just because you stop eating for a few hours. Muscle loss happens when the body is chronically understimulated, under-recovered, and undernourished. Most people who lose muscle while fasting are actually not training properly, not eating enough protein when they do eat, not sleeping well, or fasting longer than their recovery capacity allows. Your body is smart. It prefers to burn stored fat before sacrificing valuable muscle tissue, especially when the right signals are present. So the real question is not, does fasting cause muscle loss? The real question is, what signals tell the body to keep muscle while fasting? Your body already has built-in mechanisms to protect muscle during fasting. When fasting is done properly, 1. Insulin drops, allowing fat access. 2. Growth hormone increases, protecting muscle tissue. 3. Adrenaline and noradrenaline rise, preserving strength and alertness. And 4. Autophagy improves muscle quality, not muscle loss. Muscle is expensive tissue. Your body does not give it up easily unless it believes it is unnecessary. Your job is to send the message, this muscle is needed. Now let's talk about how to do that practically. Method 1. Strength training signal. The most powerful muscle-preserving signal is resistance training. You don't need to train every day. You don't need extreme volume. But you do need 1. Progressive tension, 2. Muscle engagement, 3. Intentional movement. Even 2 to 4 strength sessions per week during intermittent fasting is enough to tell your body, this muscle stays. Training while fasted or fed both work. What matters most is consistency and recovery. Muscle stays where it is used. Method 2. Protein timing and quality. Fasting doesn't mean protein doesn't matter. In fact, protein becomes more important when you're fasting. To protect muscle, 1. Prioritize high-quality protein when you break your fast. 2. Aim for sufficient total daily protein. And 3. Spread intake intentionally if your eating window allows. Your body becomes more efficient with protein during fasting, meaning you don't need constant feeding, but you do need intentional nourishment. Fasting is not starvation. It's structured rest from digestion. Method 3. Fast length awareness. One of the biggest mistakes people make is fasting longer than their current capacity. Muscle loss risk increases when stress is high, sleep is poor, training is intense, calories are consistently too low. This is why intermittent fasting, 12 to 18 hours, works so well for muscle protection. Click on the link to the video in the comments section where I talked about what happens in the body during intermittent fasting for better understanding. This explains the different stages involved in intermittent fasting. Longer fasts are powerful, but they require preparation, recovery, and experience. Discipline is knowing when to stop, not just how long to go. Method 4. Recovery is non-negotiable. Muscle is not built in the gym. Muscle is protected and rebuilt during recovery. To protect muscle while fasting, 1. Sleep deeply. 2. Manage stress. 3. Avoid excessive training volume. And 4. Respect rest days. High cortisol destroys muscle faster than fasting ever will. Fasting works with recovery, not against it. Method 5. Electrolytes and hydration. Many people think they're losing muscle when they could actually be losing water, glycogen, electrolyte balance, proper hydration and mineral support, muscle contraction, strength output, and nervous system stability. This keeps performance high and muscle function intact while fasting. And method 6, muscle quality versus muscle size. Here's the part most people miss. Fasting may reduce muscle fullness, but improve muscle quality. Less inflammation, better insulin sensitivity, more efficient fibers. Smaller does not mean weaker. Leaner does not mean less capable. True muscle health is not just size, it's function, resilience, and longevity. So, who should be extra careful? If you are very lean, training intensely, under heavy stress, and new to fasting, try to start gently. Muscle protection comes from progressive adaptation, not force. Fasting is not muscle destruction, it is muscle education. When you train with intention, eat with purpose, recover with discipline, and fast with awareness, your body adapts intelligently. Understand that muscle stays where it is respected. If this video helped shift how you see fasting and muscle protection, like this video. Subscribe and turn on notification button for more guided lessons on fasting, training, and recovery.